Okay, so next, so I'll show you how to extract the digital numbers from satellite images using the layer, the GIS layer we created just now. Okay, so examine databases and then the level one geodatabase, and then you will see this land use layer. And I just have a few points there. And what you want to do, you want to add or load the layer. You can just click and hold your mouse and drop it, and then it should be loaded soon. It's being shown in the content here. In the content here, and then what you do, start the geoprocessing, right? So if you have opened the geoprocessing pane, just click at the bottom of the screen, click on the geoprocessing pane there. If you cannot find it, click on analysis, and then click on tools. Right, tools. And then you will want to find the tool or the functions we want to use. It's called extract. Just type in the search box, multi values 2 points. Okay, so the first search result, click on it. Click on it. Input point feature, select from the drop-down list. Another way, so if you haven't add the point layer already, you can browse, click the browse button and navigate to your lab folder and find the layer from the geodatabase file in the geodatabase. Input raster layer, I have, okay, so this layer here, this layer here, output the field name, you can change it to digit number, right, digit number. And then yeah, click run. You see the status bar. So it should get the results soon. Should get the results soon. I got results soon. And then you want to click the land uses layer in contents. Right click and check the attribute table. Right, layer DN, because you already changed the layer name, right? Green, blue. The heading of the column will say different, digit number, right? So all the numbers are being extracted, and we know what are they, right? And then what do you do? You will need to, because for now we don't know the exact location or coordinates of these points. We will want to insert 2 columns into the table and store the corresponding coordinates, eastern, northerns. Eastern, northerns in many cases are relevant to the map projections being associated with the GIS layer, For small areas, the commonly used map projection, like what is map projection? That's a way of transferring locations from the 3-dimension Earth curved surface to 2-dimension plane, right? So when after the GIS has a map projection, which means that all locations being measured in a horizontal plane, right? For this horizontal plane, there is one central meridian, which is the center. Eastings being measured from the center. Eastward, positive numbers. Westward, negative numbers. Okay, so eastings. Northerns, that's a distance of that particular point. Near distance point, that point from the equator. Okay, so northerns and easterns. We need to insert, create two new columns. Of course, to create the new columns, click on this add field icon. Add field icon. Right, even the field name, right? Alias, you can change it, right? So layer 1, so blue, right? You can just For here, we can do changes. Blue DN, right? Blue DN. So if you have the descriptions of the bands in the headings already, you don't have to do it. Green, red, alias, right? Alias. And this is how the so normally we want to make sure the headings are understandable, right? Easy to understand in infrared. If you have the relevant information in the headings already, you don't have to make the change. Make the infrared 1. Two. So this field name, first one, Easting, which is east of prime meridian, right? Or central meridian, right? So that's X coordinate. Easting, that's it. And the type, what I mentioned, to float. Okay, so we can change it. Double click, yeah, double click to float. And what else I want to change here? So since number format to numeric, number format to numeric. Okay, numeric. How many decimal places? 2. We don't need to have so many decimal places. And what else? We want to make changes. Click OK. Okay, and right, so that at the bottom, click here to add a new field. You click on it, you get a new field. Right, so the next one will be northern. Right. Float, double click, float, numeric, and double click. Okay, just type in two. Right, now we are done. Now we're done, and click X. Right, close the dialog to create new columns, new fields, or new attributes. One field, one attribute about the layer, right? With all the points. Click on unsave. Make sure you save it. Or before you do it, what you can do, you click on the save button here. So the save button is here, right? Save it, apply changes, and then click on this one. Yeah. Okay, so now you see there are now. Now means no values, right? We will have to assign values, extract values from the layers. Okay, and right click on the heading of each thing column, calculate the geometry. Input features will be land use classes and instance. Point X, probably would be point X coordinate. Coordinate format, same as input. Coordinate system. Coordinate map. Right. UTM zone 16, northern hemisphere. Click OK. Calculate it. And for the northern, the same way, right click on the heading and select calculate geometry. Northern should be point Y coordinate, right? The north of equator, that's Y. X is the horizontal axis. Y is the vertical axis. Click on OK. Okay, so now you have the table ready. And now you have the table ready. And in the lab instructions, so you will want to output. You will want to output the table, and save it as an Excel file so that you can further process it in Excel. Right, when you do back arrow, click back arrow, type in table to Excel. Click on the refresh results, input tables from land uses, output names, line classes, underscore DN, and go to your own folder. I will just DN, right? DN. Click on run. Right. Then after you have find the file, you will just go to your lab 1 folder, find the Excel file. It will be a standalone file, and then make changes. I will. So I assume you have skills to do it. So I will not show you how to do it. But if you have questions, do let me know. Okay. So that's the end of the tutorials for this lab section.